Why do 75% of Hollywood stars find peace in nature? Let's find out. Meet Ivana, our beloved Hollywood star. Today, she's taking a peaceful stroll under the canopy of lush green trees. The river beside her whispers secrets only nature knows, and look, even the deer have come out to say hello. It's her serene escape from the flashing cameras and bustling city lights. Sometimes it's not all glitz and glamour, it's about finding moments of tranquility and reconnecting with nature. So, next time you're stressed, take a leaf out of Ivana's book. Walk under the trees, listen to the river, and maybe you'll find your peace too. Stay tuned for more serene escapes with your favorite stars.